Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time. Hi, my name is Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties. I'm currently in Vista Del Mar Estates, which is South Shore of San Pedro. I mean, wow. Just to the right, which is north, would be Rancho Palos Verdes. You can see Catalina, the Isthmus, Avalon's this way. This house is for sale. So we're on the corner of Grenadier and Mermaid, and we got a beautiful home here with, just a killer view. Great area here, easy access to the 110 to get out to all the freeways if you need. You got pavers here in the front, PV stone. Good side yard, gated. I mean, this is clean, super nice, and beautiful view. So you're not right in the thick of it. You're right into absolutely beautiful living. Double door entry, you walk on in and right into this living room, and you hang out there looking out at the view. So gorgeous room here. You got the PV stone fireplace, and you got the doors that come onto a large balcony. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 12 feet deep. Look at this view, all of Catalina. It's amazing, and there's some yard. So this is 12 feet by probably 30 feet long balcony. Roof looks to be in good shape, windows are nice. It's a nice spot. So beautiful family room here. Once again, the fireplace, stone, and like they walk around the staircase. I like the way they did it. They opened up the kitchen here so you can communicate with everybody. Nice dining room setup. Here is our kitchen. Beautiful. Great. Thank you, Ray.
Thank you, honey. Have a good weekend.
Nice sink.
Find some other buyers.
I love how you can just hang out here and look down the whole house. You can actually watch TV from right here. So you can see the Super Bowl. It's got Super Bowl weekend coming up. Wow, look. Italian groove, maple lime, made by Craft Maidens. Nice cabinetry. Even with the gold handles, it's really popular. But look, these are all pullouts. This is nice. That's super nice. Super nice. That's great. And when it's made out of maple like this, it's very durable. So this is a kitchen that's going to last. It's super nice. You got double pane windows here. So it's galley, but I love the way it's opened up. It's very communal. Direct access to the garage right off. It's super easy. Wow, this is really clean. Really clean in here. And then there's laundry. So they got the upper for that one. And the dryer and another TV. So you can watch it. This is clean. Dining. Great, and it's all skimmed and clean. So here's the back. This looks to be the master. I love the tile. That's super clean. Double head and double control, so they can both go on at the same time. It's nice. Skimmed LEDs on in. Look, they lit up the closet inside. That's nice too. There's a lot of nice stuff, and there's no cottage cheese. Let's go downstairs.
Saturday morning.
So here's one room with the fireplace. So that butts up to the other fireplace. You do have quite a bit of yard here. Super nice. There's a gate here. Nice big shed. So this is One room they're using as a workout room. Closet over there. It's got hardwood. Tile in the hallway. Tile in the bath. Full bath. So you have a tub and a shower all redone. There's a condenser back here, so you do have air conditioning, some storage. It's pretty. Even some view from here, ocean. This is the last room that we haven't seen yet. Wow, what a clean property. Really, really nice. Lots to offer here.
We sat down and wrote it together. And I put it in my calendar.
Well, this is a really clean property with a huge view. I live with a view, and there's nothing like waking up in the morning and looking out the ocean. You can actually tell what the weather's doing. So, great location here. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, just give me a call. Happy to set it up. Make it a great day. Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks, and make it a great day.